everybody, welcome to Pantech eLearning. So now before entering into HR interview, there is a group discussion, right? And the group discussion is also important round, but it can also be confusing, right? So in today's video, we're going to see how to tackle your group discussion. Okay, so first, what is group discussion? Group discussion means it's a group of people or group of candidates like a 10 to 12 or 8 to 10 like this. They given a topic and asked you to discuss it for a certain period of time, right? So just imagine it this way, like we are amazing at talking with friends and families, right? Why? Because we have strong opinions about everything, so we speak with them easily, right? So group talks are the same, but we must know that what issues will be presented to us and be prepared for that. Okay, so now let's look at what skills the examiner is seeking in you. The first one is they want to know how good your communication skills are. So here please avoid your using informal languages. It's fine to make grammatical errors, but just make sure that you speak with confidence. Okay, so the next one is they want to know how adaptable you are to other people's viewpoint. This is important. Okay, since you will ultimately work in a team where your co-workers will come from different backgrounds, culture, opinion, view and religions like that, but not everyone will agree with you, right? So it's important that you're open to new ideas even if they oppose your ideas, right? And the next one is they are interested in your subject knowledge as well as how much you read and pay attention to what is going on around you. Most importantly, they want to know how good you are at listening. So breathe and pay attention and make eye contact with whoever is speaking, and remember that this is not a discussion about you. It's all about the group. Okay, and many people will now recommend you to begin the group discussion first, right? So starting first has the advantage of capturing everyone's attraction and attention and making a strong first impression, right? However, if you talk nonsense while everyone is looking at you, it will go. Okay, but if you start second, you will have more time to discuss how you will speak next, and even better if you don't understand the topic, you will have more time to think about it. Okay, and then thanks to the first person to talk, and you will begin to understand what the topic is about. Okay, but whether you are speaking first or second, you must have something meaningful to say. It's important. You can begin with a quote or truth, or better yet a brief incident from your personal life that relates to the issue, right? And remember that your own experience should not extend to the point where everyone's get bored. Okay, so there is no set limit, but in a 15-minute group discussion with 10 players, speaking for roughly 2 minutes across 4 to 5 times is enough, right? So finally, the examiner will ask you to summarize, and the appropriate way to summarize is to accept other people's opinion and present your own and meet in the middle. That will satisfy all people in the shortest duration, right? So these are the ways to tackle your group discussion. Okay, if you want this video as a Tamil version, just click the link in the description. See you in next video. Thank you.